What it do, you guys? It's your boy George, back at it again with a I got this. I don't. What's up, you guys? I'm just about to give you a quick update about everything. I did go drop off the car at the shop the other day. I didn't really vlog that day. My friend was actually vlogging most of the time. He didn't record. I am going to be taking some of his clips. His name is Johnny Moui. He also does his own type of vlogs. So if you guys want to go there, look at his stuff. He has a drift build. So if y'all guys love that, go see his stuff. It's an amazing dude. Cool ass people. Also, I did get something new. I love it to death. So I hope you guys love it too. And I am going to be going to California like in 3 weeks. I am going to be taking you guys with me. I'm going to be doing some business over there. And hanging out with some homies and stuff. I will be in LA. So I'm just going to be over there real quick. And I'm just gonna show you how everything else is with the car. The car will be out. I know I always say the car will be out soon, but this time the car might be out.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you.
And after that, we'll give you more content. But let's go.
Too close. Gonna take a break from my Z for a bit, and I'm gonna introduce you guys to this other Z, which is probably gonna steal all the attention away from my channel, but that's okay, because I fucked with him heavy. That's my boy. And his pops is here. Check out his pops' trunk. Woo! Pops is wide, my man. The man of the hour. Look at this joint.
I'll give you his number.
Give him your number. Give my brother. Yo, you and your dad come rolling heavy. Fat boys everywhere. All the fat boys.
See Gohan?
Yeah. The guy's cute, man. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man, new shop dog. New shop dog. Oh man, and I'm really lucky to be surrounded by a bunch of talented people. Check out my guy, Sergio. He actually works with my brother-in-law's car. Must be nice. I'm for sure taking your passenger side while your car's in the shop. I'm taking it out. Man, I feel so big in here. Like, how do you fit in this thing? What, Grant?
Size 34. It's for waist 34.
I'm a 32. I got thick things, man. I'm thicky. Day must be nice. This is a nice cockpit. Mine's being built for track and it still doesn't even look like this. Woo!
This is actually neat, bro.
Right? Hey, Sergi, man, don't break his car, bro.
Yeah.
Don't break his car. Yo, you have a lot of trust to let people drive your car, my man.
I know, bro. I mean, I have enough trust for people in my car.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Really comfortable.
See you in 3 weeks, baby. See you in 3 weeks.
My neck a little like I just swam the date. I just told that bitch to give me face, get on my place. We got on revenge, you shot my pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got a date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.